Hi, today I'm going to teach you what to do if we run out of fuel in the middle of the sea. I reduced the fuel consumption to a minimum to demonstrate this. And we're running out of fuel, now we're starting. Now I'm lowering my altitude and activating the auto brake to prepare for landing on the sea. In my previous video, I also posted a video about a tanker aircraft. We are very close to landing. Here I'm moving my flaps to level 5. We should not deploy our landing gear during sea landings because it will break upon landing. Also, we must minimize speed during landing, otherwise the plane will be destroyed. I managed it very slowly.
Stall up.
Our landing is successful now, but we have rules. For example, we must never open the plane doors, only the top hatches can be opened. Otherwise, the plane will sink and eventually explode due to pressure changes. Unfortunately, the back of our plane was flooded. Here, to demonstrate the example of a plane sinking, I'm opening all the doors of the plane and sinking it. Yes, our plane is sinking. It will explode if it descends any further. That's all for today. See you in the next videos.